A North Bay hospital is getting a little extra help for its exhausted staff. KPIX 5's Wilson Walker introduces us to a firefighter who's now working at Petaluma Valley Hospital.
2 weeks ago, the staff here started getting vaccinated. This week, they got more good news. 3 firefighter paramedics and 6 EMTs on loan from Solano County.
Normally, I'd be wearing turnouts or wildland gear or my Class A uniform, but we've all switched over to scrubs and kind of tried to wear a different hat, if you will.
Will Coelho of the Rio Vista Fire Department is doing some commuting and revisiting the 100 hours of clinical work he had to do years ago as part of his paramedic training.
Starting IVs, taking vitals, doing blood draws, patient transfer, helping these nurses out in any way we can.
You know, the staff are exhausted, the leadership's exhausted, and we were really trying to get creative. So we've been asking the county for help.
Wendy Thomas is director of nursing here at Petaluma Valley Hospital. She says firefighters are a perfect emergency fit.
They're used to doing something like that because they go on strike events for wildfires. So this is a strike team, so to speak, that instead of being deployed to a wildfire, was deployed to our hospital.
The hospital is not out of space, but anywhere from 15 to 25% of the beds here are filled with COVID patients, and the staff was wearing down.
It's been a win-win, and it's also allowed some people to, have a little bit of a breath.
Yeah, it was just definitely stepping out of my element, doing something different, and finding new ways to serve the community. And, by no means are we nurses, and by no means are we capable of doing their job. But if we can help them out, it's beneficial to us.
Now, a handful of paramedics from around the Bay Area are also on their way to Southern California. The mutual aid here will last for 2 weeks in Petaluma. Wilson Walker, KPIX 5.
The aid comes from California's Fire and Rescue Mutual Aid System, which is typically used to respond to wildfires and other emergencies.